Hi, I'm Iti Rathod. Welcome to my channel. This camera is moving. Alright, so I have a very interesting video today and we are going to do a lot of fun by creating colorful eyeliners which are available in the market in so many different brands, and I thought let's not do a DIY, do it yourself video on these colorful eyeliners. So I'm using a Smashbox eyeshadow palette and there are very fun colors in this. Look at this. This one, all bright colors. So I thought why not use this and create my own eyeshadow. So it will be a do-it-yourself video. Alright, so I am going to use my INGLOT DURALINE liquid, which is a special transforming liquid that will turn any powdered eyeshadow into a liquid formulation. Let's begin. So I will take a drop of this, literally a drop, alright? And I am going to take, alright, the purple one. Literally I just ruined my eyeshadow. Alright, can you see this? Like this. And I'm going to mix it with the liquid and place it on my eyelid. So let's see. So just apply one coat of this and then you can go in with your dry eyeshadow and seal it with the dry eyeshadow. It is going to last longer and it will give the dark purple look. Alright. Not bad, right? I'm going to take a little bit of dry eyeshadow and I'm going to seal it with that color. Alright, so whenever I step out next, I'm surely going to wear this look with whatever color that I'm wearing, and I'm going to post a picture on my Instagram. If you follow me on Instagram, if you don't, go give a follow up. That would be very nice. I put a lot of stuff up there, more than that I put here, and everyday update, what I eat, my exercise, mostly it is all there. So do give a follow. Alright, there you go. Alright, so on the other I'm going to use the green one. Alright. Do you see this? It is a very metallic green color. Literally every brand is making these colorful eyeliners and they are charging for these. So, and we have almost all the colors in the eyeshadows lying around on our dressing table. So, and then I'm going to line a little bit. Let's see what happens here. Line, just a little. There you go. It's nice, right? So do like, subscribe and share, guys. There is a bell icon, you can press that and you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. Take care. Try this simple eyeliner, DIY eyeliner, and click pictures on my Facebook or Instagram. Thanks a lot.